Hey guys, welcome to another episode about Docker. Today we are going to talk about environmental variables and what environmental variables actually are. Those are variables that are holding values and they can be visible on the level of session or on the level of entire operating system. Environment variables are a usual way for a system to share values among processes, but our Docker container can also have environment variables. And we can provide those variables with values in order to regulate processes in our containers. And let me show you the practical example. So first I'm going to list content of my directory. As you can see, I have a Python project with main.py and Docker file. And first I'm going to open this Docker file with sudo nano docker file. And as you can see, we have a keyword env that stands for environment. And we already use it for Python housekeeping stuff. But this one is custom. So I declared environment variable called value01, then equal sign, and then value of this variable wrapped with quotation marks. So this is value from my environment variable. And this is just one way to provide environment variable to a Docker image. Alright, I'm going to exit now. Now I'm going to show you this Python file, main.py. And this is really simple. So what we are doing, I'm reading a value from that environment variable and I'm writing file to my app storage that is going to be used with volume. So at the end we are going to be able to read this value from my local storage. So I'm going to exit and now I'm going to create that storage directory. So with sudo make dir storage. And now I'm going to open Docker file once again. I'm going to need this number in order to change permissions for this directory. If you don't know how to do that, check my previous episode. So I'm going to use command sudo change mode, or rather change ownership with this ID for storage, and I'm going to list content with key all, and you can see that I have this ID number list with my storage. Okay, now we can build this project with sudo docker build entire local directory with tag kst environment. All right, now I'm going to clear my screen and I'm going to list my images. Okay, we have KST environment. And now let's create and run this container. So with sudo docker run, I'm going to provide v command for volume, and I'm going to use my local home directory, save file project. This is name of project from our previous episode, and we have storage. So, and we are going to pair this directory with app storage. Of course, we are going to use KST environment, that is the name of this image, and I'm going to run this code. Everything is executed. Let's see what we have in here. I'm going to navigate to storage now, and hopefully we are going to see this file value. I'm going to open this file and we have a value from our environment variable. This is value from my environment variable. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!